Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on my channel. Glad that you're here to join me. I've been taking a breather for the last few weeks, but I'm back. I might not be doing an episode every week, but separate and aside from that, just welcome back. Glad you're here. Hope you enjoy this episode. This week's episode is about how to make money off of plastic recycling bottles here in Jamaica. Yes, it's doable. Yes, very doable. And I'm going to list a few things that you need to know about how to do it. It includes understanding how much bottles you need, where you want to go, and what you need to get there. So the things that are there, this list, first and foremost, you need a minimum of 8 bags of plastic. You can carry less than 8 bags, right? But you won't get paid for it. So you want 8 bags of plastic, right? 8 bags of plastic, right? Or more. If you have 10, if you have 20, if you have 30, if you have 100, generally the rule of thumb, the more the merrier. So get as much as you can, and then after that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to have a mode of transport of getting it from where you are to Recycle Partners Jamaica, which is down by 3 Mile, and that's the last part. You can have all this plastic and not know where to go. And if you look them up on Google Maps, it's gonna carry it near to Crossroads, but that's not their actual location. They're down by 3 Mile on off Bell Road. So I'm gonna actually share that location in the description, and in the video you'll see a clip of how to get down there. And yeah. So these are the 3 things that you need to know, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Follow through, like, subscribe, comment, share up top. Have a good week, and if you have a lot of plastic by you, get some. Alright guys. So we're here at Jamaica Recycles, right? My correction, I was thinking it was $2, but it's actually $10 a pound, right? And we've dropped off our bottles. It actually weighs 32 pounds. So that's $320. And that can actually buy me a French fries, or that can buy me a soda, or that can buy me a couple things. So I just wanted you guys to see that, yes, it actually turns out into something. And down here at Jamaica Recycles is doing something good. Come support, bring as much as you can. If you live on a beach, pick up at the beach, just bring it down. They are going to have more locations around the place, so it's really just for you to find out what's up. You have a number I can get in? 758 8700, and you can call that number. They'll tell you where you can go. Right, $10 a pound. The more the merrier. Anyhow, I just wanted you guys to see. Alright, so I'm getting 320 for this, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Enough love, up top.
No, Jamaica manufacturing.
Okay, so you want to
Sign
sign.
it in. The last sign. I gave it this to person.
Oh, yeah, man. Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, so I just finished collecting the money from the plastic. I am really surprised. You know, they gave me $320 for 9 bags of plastic, and they're going to continue to increase the price on per bag. So I just wanted you guys to know it's very doable. If you're anywhere that has a lot of plastic, then see it as money, you know. Episode, like, subscribe, comment, share. Up top, you know what it is.